Hey everyone, welcome back to Striano 101 channel. I'm Flavio and today we're exploring a powerful way to communicate your value proposition through visual tools. If you want to learn how to use infographics, diagrams, and other visual aids to make your value proposition clear and compelling, you're in the right place. Stick around as we dive into how visuals can enhance your messaging and capture your audience attention. Let's dive in. Segment 1. Understanding the power of visuals. Before we jump into the tools, let's talk about why visuals are so powerful. Humans are highly visual creatures. Our brains process images 60,000 times faster than text, and 90% of the information transmitted to the brain is visual. This makes visuals an incredibly effective way to communicate complex ideas quickly and clearly. For example, think about how much easier is it to understand data when it's presented in graph rather than a table of numbers. Visuals can simplify complex information, highlight key points, and make your value proposition more memorable. Segment 2. Types of visual tools. There are several types of visual tools you can use to present your value proposition. Let's take a look at some of the most effective ones. Number 1. Infographics. Infographics combine images, charts, and minimal text to provide an easy-to-understand overview of a topic. They're perfect for breaking down complex information into digestible pieces. Number 2. Diagrams. Diagrams can illustrate processes, relationships, and structures. Flowcharts, Venn diagrams, and mind maps are all great ways to visually explain how your product works or how it benefits your customers. Number 3. Charts and graphs. Use charts and graphs to present data and statistics. Bar charts, pie charts, and line graphs can highlight the benefits of your product and show how it stands out from competitors. Number 4. Videos and animations. Short videos and animations can bring your value proposition to life. They can demonstrate your product in action, show customer testimonials, or explain features and benefits in a dynamic way. Think when you're browsing the web, how many websites of different products can you see out there that as soon as you go in, the first thing that they show, it's a short video. Either if it's a person sitting at the desk showing the platform, or if it's just an animated character. Does it make it more clear for you? Then why wouldn't for your customers? Segment 3. Creating effective infographics. Here's how you can create an effective infographic to represent your value proposition. Number 1. Define your key message. Start by defining the key message you want to convey. This should be the core of your value proposition. Number 2. Gather your data. Collect the data and information you need to support your message. Make sure it's accurate and relevant. Number 3. Choose a layout. Decide on a layout that best presents your information. There are many templates available online that can help you get started. Nowadays, you have a lot of tools that can help you not to start from scratch. You have templates online, you have AI, and you can always refine whatever you find or whatever they create for you. Number 4, use icons and images. Incorporate icons and images to make the information more engaging and easier to understand. Number 5, keep it simple. Avoid clutter. Keep your infographics clean and focus on the key points. Segment 4, designing compelling diagrams. Diagrams are great for illustrating processes, relationships, and structures. Here's how to create a compelling diagram. First, identify the purpose. Determine what you want to illustrate with your diagram. It is a process, a relationship, or a comparison. Number 2, choose the right type of diagram. Select the type of diagram that best suits your purpose. Flowcharts are great for processes, Venn diagrams for comparisons, and mind maps for brainstorming. Number 3, use clear labels. Make sure all elements of your diagram are clearly labeled. This helps your audience understand the information at a glance. Number 4, incorporate colors and icons. Use color and icons to differentiate elements and highlight important information. Number 5, test for clarity. Show your diagram to someone unfamiliar with the topic to see if they understand it. If they do, you've done a good job. Segment 5, utilizing charts and graphs. Charts and graphs are perfect for presenting data. Here's how to use them effectively. Choose the right chart type. Different data sets require different types of charts. Bar charts are great for comparing quantities, pie charts for showing proportions, and line charts for trends over time. Highlight key data. Make sure your key data points stand out. Use bold colors and large fonts to draw attention. Provide context. Add labels and legends to explain what the data represents. This makes it easier for your audience to understand the chart. Keep it simple. Don't overload your chart with too much information. Focus on the most important data. Segment 6. Engaging your audience with videos and animations. These are highly engaging tools that can bring your value proposition to life. Tell a story. Use storytelling to make your video or animation more engaging. Show how your product solves a problem or improves your customers' lives. Keep it short and sweet. Attention spans are short, so keep your videos concise. Focus on the key points of your value proposition. Use high quality visuals. Make sure your visuals are high quality and professional. This reflects well on your brand. Include a call to action or CTA. End your video with a clear call to action. Tell your audience what you want them to do next, like every time I do on these videos. Segment 7. Case study. Let's look at a real-world example. Think about Dropbox. They use visual tools to represent their value proposition. Their website features clean infographics, engaging animations, and clear diagrams that explain how their service works and why it's beneficial. To wrap up, using tools like infographics, diagrams, charts, and videos can significantly enhance your ability to communicate your value proposition. They make complex information easy to understand, highlight key points, and engage your audience effectively. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. There's your CTA for more tips and insights. Drop a comment below with your thoughts and any questions you have. I'm Flavio, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep creating compelling visuals and communicating your value clearly.